Okay, so I've been asked to explain the maintenance program. And actually in our instructions, we don't do a great job of what is the maintenance program. And I think that the best maintenance program is to, number one, stop using the night brace at 40 days, or 40 nights, I should say. And then I would probably back down to ball 3 and just do the exercises 3 days a week. That is going to keep those foundational muscles tuned up. It's going to maintain the muscle balance. Fundamentally, a lot of what's wrong with shoulder starts with muscle imbalance. So if you just do the exercises 3 days a week as a maintenance program, that is going to work for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. And thanks for your interest in Shoulder Reliever.